Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 login issues and how to do this. Let's get started. First, what you need to do is when you're on your login screen, you have to press your Windows power button, but before that you have to hold shift on the keyboard, and while holding shift just click on this and then click on this restart button. Make sure you're holding shift when you're clicking on restart. Once you do this, it will restart like this. Just click on troubleshoot then, and then click on advanced options. Here click on startup settings and then click on restart again. Once it again restarts, this window will appear and you have to press F5 on your keyboard and then it will restart again. Now just simply close this and then restart your PC normally again. Once you do this, your problem should be solved and you should be able to log into your computer normally. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.